Today's machine has remained almost unchanged since 1967. So why are we still talking about it? This Swiss watch is the Olympia Express Cremina SL, and over 50 years later, it's still an object of desire for home baristas everywhere. My first impression of this machine is, I want it. The design, the amazing quality engineering, and the tiny footprint, I just love it. This is a totally different coffee ritual. You're completely in control of the ratio and the extraction. You decide the length of pre-infusion for each shot, and you modify your speed of attack to closely match the profile of your coffee. Some have called it the Rolex of espresso machine, but I think it's way less tacky than that. In the early days, their urn-style machine used a piston to force water through the coffee. There are machines from the late 60s still in operation today. But is this just a geek collectible? Earlier today, we annoyed industry experts with a blind tasting. Okay, this is so simple. Can these experts tell a Cremina SL shot from a shot pulled from another espresso machine? While Shawn and Nicky hears distracting sound, I will get started. To make sense of this test today, I'm trying to dial in the two machines to match the output as closely as possible. The newest Cremina SL, which I'm going to test today, has a spring lever and a piston to force water through the coffee. This helps to create a sweet taste and better mouthfeel. Okay, tasting time. We have two samples, the blue cup and the green cup. And the coffee is Terra Firma. Any thoughts? Perhaps it's easier to tell us which cup you prefer.
I think they're both quite similar, but I'm going to go for the blue cup. There's a bit more complexity in the cup.
Personally, it will be the green cup. I'm getting fruitiness with a bit of a nutty finish.
So which is from the Cremina SL and which is from the espresso machine?
I think it has to be the blue cup. Crema does look a bit different.
I'm thinking the blue cup is from the Cremina as well. The espresso is a bit more syrupy. It's a bit different from what we're familiar with.
Okay, the results are in. The blue cup is from the Cremina SL and the green cup is from a commercial espresso machine. So you're right. So are you surprised?
To be fair, we're quite familiar with Terra Firma. The temperature and pressure on the machines are different, so you kind of can tell as the coffee's cool.
But I think if we got some time to play around with the machine, can really get a good cut out of it, better than a commercial machine.
Pretty amazing. Clearly, the Cremina SL promises the journey to perfection if you make the effort to learn the machine's idiosyncrasies. I haven't mentioned the price yet. It's over $6,000. Is it worth it? If you embrace ritual, the amazing quality engineering, the design, and the tiny footprint, this is the machine for you. Subscribe and see our video first while I head off to sell the family car. And if you've got something on your mind, express yourself in our comments box. Catch you next time for more coffee.